my god.
Cepat Mal. Itulah. Move it, move it. Let them move. Move it, move it. Let them move.
Let's go, let's
Move it, move it. Let them move. Move it, yeah. Move it, move it. Let them move. Yeah. Let them move. Tukar cara. New mission. New desire. Yeah. Hey, you stop it. Keep going. Keep moving. Also keep it steady. Keep it steady. Tryna get 10 million. Then what? Maybe more. Okay. Can I get like 30? Move it. Move it. Let them move. Move it. Move it. Let them move. Move it. Move it. Alright. Kita dekat mana, Val?
New Central.
Saja just jalan-jalan cari barang. So yeah, let's go. Move it. Move it. Move it. Let them move.
gotta switch ikut.
Kami di pasar seni
Saja. Ada stesen balik.
cari barang tadi. Nak gerak dah.
Nak gerak balik rumah.
Let's go.
Move it, tolong cepat sikit.
Bal, oi.
Saya beli air dulu.
Oh, ayah beli air. Cepat, oi.
Ya, aku turun sikit-sikit.
Hello, what is going on guys? Hari ni 30 Disember, esok 31, kita dah nak tamat 2025. Vlog ni pun agak random. So basically aku nak end the video right here by saying that thank you for Rate 25 EP. Sudah keluar, ada dekat Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music dan pelbagai lagi. Nak cakap kat sini just thank you for the support. Tak ada apa lagi yang boleh nak dikatakan. Like, it's been very nice, the journey and whatnot, and yeah, thank you everybody. So yeah, itu je lah daripada kami. Hope you guys enjoy. Selamat tahun baru kepada semua. And I'll see you soon. And yeah, itu je lah. Goodbye.
Move it, lawan walau sakit.
Move it, yeah, move it.
Move it,